Section 5.2, trigonometric functions. So you're going to find the trigonometric function values of quadrantal angles. And example 4, this is from the chapter 5 homework PDF file, the one with 27 pages. Okay, this is example 4. You need to find the 6 trigonometric function values for angle 90 degrees. So if you have your angles noted on your left hand, and the formula is going to be the square root of the fingers divided by 2. This is angle 0, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60, and 90. Okay, so for 90 degrees, you're going to put that finger down. The sine value is going to be the fingers to the left. And the cosine value is going to be the fingers to the right. Okay, so sine of 90 degrees is a square root of 4 divided by 2. And cosine of 90 degrees, there's no fingers on the right. So it's 0 fingers divided by 2. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. So you have sine of 90 degrees equals the square root of 4, divided by 2, and cosine of 90 degrees equals 0, the square root of 0, or 0, divided by 2. Okay, square root of 4 divided by 2 is 2 over 2, which is 1. Square root of 0 divided by 2 is 0 over 2. Any number, 0 divided by any number is going to be 0. Okay, and then tangent of 90 degrees, we're going to apply the trig identity of tangent of the angle equals the sine of the angle divided by the cosine of the same angle. And that will be 1 divided by 0, which is undefined. Any number divided by 0 is undefined or not defined. Okay, now for the other functions. So sine, cosine, tangent, and then cotangent, secant, and cosecant, and of 90 degrees, of course. Okay, these function values, you got them from the left hand side, left hand trick, because these are the reciprocal of those. So what is the reciprocal of 1 divided by 0?
8.
The reciprocal of 1 divided by 0 is 0 divided by 1, which is equals to 0. Therefore, cotangent of 90 degrees equals 0. What about secant of 90 degrees? It's going to be 2 divided by 0. This one's going to be not defined. And then the cosecant is 2 divided by square root of 4, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. Is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, that was letter A. Letter B says to find the 6 trigonometric function values of the angle theta in standard position with terminal side passing through the point -3, 0. So, angle theta in standard position passing through the point, the terminal side passes through the point -3, 0. Okay, whenever it comes to visualizing something, especially in pre-calculus, you are to draw the situation. In this case, we need to draw a Cartesian coordinate plane. And the point -3, 0 is right here. So the angle in standard position starts at the positive x-axis. Okay, starts right here, goes all the way to the point -3, 0, right? So it ends right here. So it's 180 degree turn, or a semi-turn, right? Okay, so it turns out that the quadrantal angle 180 degrees has the same values as the one for 90 because it's a periodic functions. So we have sine of 180 degrees equals 1, cosine of 180 degrees equals 0, tangent of 180 degrees equals undefined, and so forth. We have cotangent of 180 degrees equals 0, and secant of 180 degrees equals undefined, and cosecant of 180 degrees equals 1. The only thing that's going to change is the sign. So for the sign, we can say, okay, all students take calculus. Okay, here, all of the functions are positive. So at 90 degrees, all of the 6 trigonometric function values were positive. These were all positive, right? Well, 0 is not positive or negative, right? Here, sine is the only one that is positive, and it's reciprocal function. So sine is going to be positive, it's going to stay positive, and its reciprocal function is going to stay positive. Okay, and then those stay the same because 0 is not positive or negative, it's signless, right? And undefined, pues it's not even a defined value, so you cannot have a sign together with that. Okay, and that's it for example 4 on the handout for the chapter 5 homework 5.2.